Hello everyone and welcome to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel. When we join a company, one of the first things that gives us a sense of security is corporate health insurance. It feels a little less burden on your pocket because your employer is taking care of your medical needs, and for many people that seems enough. But the reality is that depending only on corporate health insurance may not provide complete protection for you and your family. In this video, we will be talking about corporate health insurance versus personal health insurance. Stay till the end of the video to know what is best for you. To put things in perspective, nearly half of all healthcare spendings in India comes directly out of people's pockets. And in 2025, healthcare costs are expected to jump around 13% higher than global averages. So in my view, depending only on corporate health insurance is a risky bet. You're exposed to rising costs, job changes, gaps in coverage, all of which could turn one medical emergency into a financial crisis. A personal health plan helps you bridge that gap and stay safer. Corporate health insurance policies are usually designed to provide basic coverage. They might cover you and sometimes your family, but the sum insured is often limited to 2 to 5 lakhs. While this may help in certain situations, it may not be enough to match the rising medical costs we see today. Another important point is that corporate health insurance is linked to your job. The moment you change jobs, take a break from work, or retire, that coverage ends. This can leave you without health insurance at a time when you may need it the most. Even during employment, the coverage may fall short if you face a serious hospitalization where bills can easily run into several lakhs. Since these are standard policies, they also do not always include specific benefits such as maternity care, critical illness protection, or wellness features that may be relevant to you. This is where personal health insurance becomes important. Unlike corporate cover, a personal policy is something you own. It stays with you regardless of where you work or whether you are working at all. You can choose a higher sum insured that matches today's medical costs, add your family members as per your needs, and enjoy long-term benefits like no-claim bonuses, restoration of sum insured, and wellness rewards. Most importantly, personal health insurance continues even after retirement when medical needs usually increase. That is why the right approach is not to ignore corporate insurance, but to see it as a first layer of protection. Your personal health insurance then becomes the second stronger layer that ensures you and your family remain financially secure. Together, they create a safety net that is complete and reliable. Corporate health insurance is best used as the first line of support. For day-to-day medical expenses, smaller hospitalizations, or routine treatments that fall within the corporate sum insured, it makes sense to use that cover first. After all, it is provided by your employer at no extra cost to you. However, relying only on that can be risky. If the bill is higher than the corporate coverage, your personal health insurance steps in to take care of the remaining expenses. This way, you avoid exhausting your personal policy unnecessarily and still have it intact for future emergencies. Personal health insurance also becomes critical during life transitions. If you leave your job, retire, or even take a career break, the corporate policy stops immediately. That is when your personal policy ensures you are not left unprotected. Over the long term, it also builds benefits like cumulative bonuses and continuity of coverage, which corporate policies generally do not offer. In my view, the right way to mix and match is to treat corporate insurance as a bonus layer while always keeping your personal health insurance as the foundation. It does matter because without a personal plan, there is always the risk of being left uncovered at the wrong time. Corporate health insurance is a good start, but adding your own personal health insurance gives you control over your future, your family's security, and your peace of mind. True health security means being prepared today, tomorrow, and even after retirement. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel. I'll see you soon with another interesting topic.